On behalf of the American Traffic Safety Services Association, I'm pleased to join my colleagues in HMG to call on Congress and the White House to pass a robustly funded infrastructure bill. This investment is critical to the safety of our roadways. Just in the past few months, 2 tragic jetliner crashes resulted in the fatality of 346 people. It garnered international headlines in the worldwide grounding of the 747 MAX 8. Yet in 2017, over 37,000 people died on U.S. roadways. That's 75 fully loaded 747s, more than one a week. Where are the headlines? Where are the media for all those lives and all those families that suffered from those fatalities? We know how to make our roads safer for drivers, for pedestrians, and for cyclists. We just need the means to do it. That's why we're joining our colleagues in calling on Congress to increase user fees and dedicate 10 cents on the dollar to combat roadway fatalities and serious injuries. We're asking people to pay just a little bit more, just a few cents more, as the Congressman mentioned, to ensure that each and every family member in each community and congressional district comes home safely every day. Investing in America's safety infrastructure is good economics, good politics, and most importantly, good for the American public and saving lives. We've got the ability, knowledge to be able to do it. Give us the means. Let's get to it.